Okay, turn over your in-class practice sheet to 1-B. We're on page 2-4 of your packet. Okay, the top strip, we see immediately that this is a very irregular strip. Next thing you want to look at is check for our waveforms. We certainly have QRSs, but let's check for P waves. Now, when you look for P waves, you want to make sure that they occur at roughly the same time before the QRS and that it's the same shape before the QRS each and every time. Here I look and I seem to have kind of a, I don't know, there's a little bit of a bump there. I look here, there's a bump, but that's not the same bump as last time. Here's kind of a bump here, which actually is the end of the T wave. If you look here, that's the end of the T wave, and you look here, that's the end of the T wave. So this is not a P wave. Kind of a lump there, but that doesn't look like that lump or that lump. So, and this is kind of a straight line. There doesn't seem to be any P wave there. This almost goes down. It kind of has two ups. This kind of floats down. This kind of floats down. That kind of floats up. I mean, that kind of looks like a P wave over here, but it's not anywhere else. Kind of looks like that one, but there's none here. There's none here. Okay, so you've looked at all the P areas, and we don't seem to find a P. Therefore, they don't have one. What do? I just mark that off with an X because it's not, there is no P waves here. QRS duration, you want to make sure that you get the whole QRS. There's a little bit of a Q here, and the sloping line counts. So that would give us approximately, I think it's a 0.08 is what I got. 0.06 is what I got. Alright, then we want to look at regularity, which is very irregular. 0.06. And let's look at regularity here. Sorry, I got a frog today. Regularity is irregular. Heart rate. You're going to do this twice. I've marked the 6-second lines on here already, so count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have something roughly in the 70s. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's going to give us 100. So our rate is going to be 70 to 100. This rhythm is something we haven't learned yet. It's called atrial fibrillation. And it is characterized by a person having no atrial contraction whatsoever. The atria is quivering, and that's why you have a lot of the bumps in the bass line that you see here. So we have a rhythm that has no PR interval, a QRS of approximately 0.06. The rhythm is very irregular, therefore we need to do the heart rate twice, one on each end of the strip. The first end of the strip we counted 7, that times 7, 10 equals 70, and the last part we got 100, which was 10 times 10. So, all right, that's it for this strip.